Welcome to another unboxing this video, sponsored by Portland Trail Blazers guard Scoot Hender. No, just kidding.
So yun, welcome to another episode of When Liam
Unboxing this. Yes.
Unboxing this for today.
Card design over here. Designed for video.
So for today, we're going to unbox something that we bought sa Tokyo. Because it's my birthday, so I'm allowed to buy a watch. So, a little backstory. I've been looking for a Seiko Alpinist another Seiko Alpinist na pandagdag sa watch collection. So, yung Seiko Alpinist na SARB 17, yun yung pinakaunang at na serious siguro, second serious watch ko. Tapos that started my journey sa watch collecting. So naghahanap ako yung sumunod na prospect version ng Seiko Alpinist. Hindi masyado kasi parang parehas lang. Tapos may mga nawalang konti sa design ng watch na hindi ko masyado gusto. Tapos ito, tapos nagkaroon ng Seiko Laurel, tingin-tingin kami ni Mami. Tapos parang sabi niya masyadong plain, mga ganun. Tapos at least, hindi ako nag-rush doon. Ngayon, i-unbox na namin. It's Seiko SPB377.
That's the same model, right?
That's the model. Seiko SPB377. So let's unbox it. Boom. So, yung box niya is yung simpleng Seiko box. Pero, for the watch itself, sana hindi ganon. Kasi may mga ganong price na hindi ganito yung mga box. So,
We bought this last Friday. Same with 2K24.
So, yun. Oop. Yan. So, this is the watch. Okay, so it's a 38.5mm watch, 46.3 yata yung lug to lug niya. And then it's a GMT, it's a GMT complications. Dati, what can you say about the watch?
I didn't notice it looked that good. Look at the back.
So the back
Especially this part, the inside.
So the back has an exhibition case back, yun yung tinasabi nila. Pero for me, if you're gonna have an exhibition case back, dapat maganda masyado yung movement. Pero I think, ang siguro makikita mo dito yung gold rotor, tapos in GMT complication ng Seiko. And at the same time, I think this is a 72 hours power reserve, so 3 days. Yung old Alpinist, yung SARB 17 is 50 hours lang. Pero ito, ginawa nilang 3 days, which is 72 hours. Tapos dinagdagan pa nila ng complication na GMT. Okay? So yun, a little backstory. Yung GMT complications was first seen in a Rolex watch, which is the Explorer 2, I think. Nirequest ng Pan American Airlines sa Rolex na gumawa sila ng 2 time zone complication para sa mga pilots nila or employees nila na nagtatrabaho sa aeroplano na may cross-Atlantic travel. So from the US to the UK, yung mga ganon. So ginawa nila yung GMT complication. This is not a true GMT wherein yung pag in-adjust mo is yung hour hand yung mag-adjust, kundi sabi nila it's a desk GMT. Yung GMT hour yung nag-a-adjust.
Like a pseudo?
like a pseudo. So from all the watches that I have, Liam, what can you say about this one?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Like the color.
Yeah, the color matches because the strap and the watch itself is the same color.
About the red GMT hand and the 3 days for the GMT over there.
Oh, I never noticed that detail.
What can you say about it?
It adds to the design, so I guess it's good.
It pops out ba?
When you look close, when you first see it, you don't don't notice it, but when you look closely, you see it.
Yun. Tapos, ang pagkakaiba pa, meron tong Roman numerals. So, yung 3, 9, and 6. Yung previous Alpinist, alam ko wala. Kailangan ko ma-remind kung ano yung itsura ng Alpinist na SARB 17. Tapos yung date complication, nandito sa may 3. Ngayon sa may malapit siya sa may 4 o'clock. Na I think maganda yung pagkagawa nila. The thing that I don't like about the watch is tinanggal nila yung letter S dito. I think because yung letter S is an old logo of the Seiko, medyo pinopromote nila yung S na parang 5 yung itsura.
Watch comparison.
Oo, ayan. So ito yung watch ni Liam na Casio G-Shock. 2 time zones din to actually.
No, a lot. You can adjust it. You can go to different countries.
Oh, marami pala. Multiple time zones.
At least I think, because I saw one that said New York City.
Ang galing yun. Ako 2 time zone lang. Siya maraming time zone.
At least I think. It said like NYC or something.
So yun, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our unboxing episode. We would overlay a few images a few video images of the Seiko Alpinist. Also maybe the SARB 17 which I talked about. And hope you enjoy and watch another episode of our unboxing series. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam!